সাথে বলে আমি আছি বলেছো।
হরিকথা শুনি এখন না? হরিকথা শুনবো?
হ্যাঁ, একটা ছোট ছোট। আমি গুরু না ভজেন সন্দেশ কালে মন প্রাণ দিয়া রে। আমি গুরু না ভজেন সন্দেশ কালে মন প্রাণ দিয়া রে। আমি গুরু না ভজেন সন্দেশ কালে মন প্রাণ দিয়া রে। পুরাইয়া গেল মোর সাধের জনম এটা যে পূর্ব বাংলার লালন ফকিরের কীর্তন। লালন ফকির আপনাদের তো পূর্ব বাংলা, পূর্ব বাংলায় লালন ফকির কুমিল্লা। আপনার কুমিল্লা কেন? বহুত সুন্দর। আচ্ছা, আপনার তিনজন নাকি?
আমার বন্ধু হাজবেন্ড।
আচ্ছা, আপনি ঢাকা।
আমি কুমিল্লা।
চট্টগ্রাম। একটু বলুন তো কি বললাম? হরি দিন তো গেল ইংলিশে বলুন।
সন্ধ্যা হলো পার করো আমারে, হরি দিন তো গেল সন্ধ্যা হলো পার করো আমারে।
পূর্ব বাংলায় এইসব খুব সুন্দর। হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা, कई प्रकारे भटियाली सुर और की सुर है, अनेक सुरी कहा जाए। Okay, so now also just few minutes we discuss about Hari Katha. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjalakaya Chakshurmritam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namah. Mancha kalpataruvascha kripa sindhubhyo cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto my Guru Bhagavatam Nitrila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srivaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitrila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhman Bhakti Vedanta Srivaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitrila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sadhman Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas. Just I remember, now sun goes down. For this regard, I sang also one song, Bengali song. This is very prominent and famous in East Bengal. Hari din to gelo sandhe helo par karao amare. Tumi parer karta suni varta tait tiri vashi. That means one poet, he composed these verse and he invoked to Lord. Oh Lord, now sun goes down. That means I am about to die. That means Jivan Sandha. That means my life is going about to end. Jivan Sandha. Going down. What to do? So, how will I cross the ocean of Maya? And in the time, all we are wandering in the same cycle of repeated birth and death. Not this is the first time. In the time, all we are wandering same cycle of repeated birth and death. So now, how will I cross the ocean of Maya? But I heard you are the only one person and you can cross to me the ocean of Maya. I heard your glories. So for this regard, I have come on the bank of this bank of the river, and you are the best boatman. By the performing of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, no one can cross this ocean of Maya. By I heard, if anyone completely, absolutely surrender your lotus feet is as like boat. And very easy you can cross this ocean of the Maya. But I have no any karma, good karma. Even I cannot pay to money to you anything. And boat fare, I have no boat fare. So for this regard, I am sitting on this bank. But I heard the boatman is very magnificent and magnanimous. Bengali song also is Korina paile par kari sandha kale nera sabhav ami jani bhalo mate pari Korina paile par kari sandha kale. This meaning about this Bengali song, I heard the boatman morning to evening he is crossing the people this side to this side with money. But when sun goes down and about dark, and that time if anybody is sitting on the bank without money, without boat fare, he also crosses the river. So for this regard I am sitting. I heard these things. I know the nature of the boatman. Kodi na paile par kare sandha kari. Here kodi means boat fare. That time, ancient time, they also used the kodi. Kodi means what is called?
Little shells.
Little shells.
As
Now
money.
we are using many kinds of notes and papers or coins, but that time they used the shells. So kodi na paile par kare sandha kari. Ned sabhav ami jani bhalo mate kodi na paile par kare sandha kari. I know the nature of the boatman. If anyone not give and boat fare, then he will cross to him without money. When? Night time. Last his what is called?
Journey.
Last
Last trip.
boat.
Last
Trip.
person.
So for the I am sitting here. But I am looking. Those who came later, but all they come before me. But still I am sitting here. Very nice, beautiful song. Actually, I tell you the very nice, beautiful story. In Vrindavan, if you go Vrindavan, very close to Govinda Dev temple, there are one very big temple, huge, largest temple in India. That is called Lala Babu temple. Have you been? Have you seen or? Vrindavan গিয়েছেন?
গিয়েছে এবার ঘুরে আসলাম তো বৃন্দাবন।
আচ্ছা, লালাবাবু
লালাবাবু
মন্দির।
মন্দিরটা কোথায় এটা?
ওই লালাবাবু মন্দির গোবিন্দ দেবের মন্দিরের কাছে এইদিকে
ও,
যেখানে
লালাবাবু মন্দির, হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ।
মনে হচ্ছে এখন আমার।
যেখানে
আচ্ছা।
আপনি ওইখানে
হ্যাঁ,
দেখবেন,
বুঝতে পেরেছি।
you can see
হ্যাঁ,
the South Indian what is called সোনার তাল গাছটা রয়েছে।
সন্তাল গাছটা।
সোনার তাল গাছের পাশেই রয়েছে লালাবাবু
হ্যাঁ,
মন্দির।
লালাবাবুর মন্দির, বুঝতে
বিশাল
পেরেছি।
মন্দির, there is one big very huge largest temple, লালাবাবু temple.
লালাবাবু।
Actually, Lalababu and another Lalababu, he was Jamindar, landlord. And that time also nearby village and another also landlord, his name was Jagat Seth. Lalababu and Jagat Seth. And both are very powerful landlords. And lot of their wealth, money, and many also they are what is called
Businessman.
people also running here and there. No?
Servants.
This. But both they are rival to each other. This is the nature. One company, another company, one person, another person. People are rivaling. What is called?
Competition.
Competition in this way. So one day, Lala Babu, he was going to one place to another place, and he had to cross the river. When you are wandering in this material world, maybe sometimes you listen some word, automatically renunciation will come, vairagya will come. Not every time, but sometimes also. In the same way, Lala Babu, he became very old, about 80 years old. Then about sunset, sun goes down almost. Sun goes down, little bit is also. The rays of the sun, the reddish color. And that time the boatman, just he was loudly utter this verse, Bela holo sandhe gelo. What did he say? Bela holo sandhe gelo. I mean, they finished, sunset. And darkness comes. And this is my last trip. He is saying this way. The Bengali word is saying Bela gelo sandhe gelo. Then suddenly Lala Babu's heart melted. Just heard this katha. What did he listen? Bela holo. What is the meaning? Another. Lala was thinking, my life completely finished. Now I am 80 years old. And any second, any moment, any day, I will die. As like ripened mango on the tip of the branches. any second, little bit gust of wind come, हम जब पक जाते हैं ना, लाल लाल हो जाता है, थोड़ी सी हवा आने से वो
गिर जाता है.
गिर जाए, any moment. So now we thinking this is Bela hollow. Someday, that means my life already finished. My age of life was finished. Any second, any moment, I will die. Someday hollow. Jivan Sandha. The beginning of my life. Any second, any moment, I will die. That time Lala Babu, he thinking what will do now. And that time Lala Babu, he left his house. What is the essence of life? Krishna Bhajan. And then Lala Babu, that time, he left everything and he came in Vrindavan. But sometimes, suddenly, renunciation, Vairagya manifested in his heart. Just he heard this word. What did he say? Bela holo sandhya. Bela holo sandhya. Lala Babu, he came in Vrindavan and he took shelter, lotus feet of one sadhu. And he chanted holy names, Nam, mantra, everything. Now he completely renounced. And chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Lala Babu, all his wealth of money, everything, he also invested to build that temple. You have seen that the temple, actual that temple built with all the money of Lala. You could see this very close to the temple of what is it called? Ranganath temple. Yeah. This side Govinda temple, other side the road, and another side you can see. Now people are saying Sunar Tal Gach. Maybe you heard that is Sunar Tal. And understand this thing people are saying. So Lala Babu now completely renounced person. All his wealth, money, everything, he also invested, big temple and servicing under guidance of Guru, doing bhajan and sadhan, chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now how old are he?
84.
80 years old. 80 years old. Then one day he asked his Gurudev, what is my job in temple? Then his Gurudev told him, every day you used to go begging some alms, Bhiksha karke lao, Thakurji ke liye. Could you understand? He was Jamindar and now he is the beggar. And going to house in Braj, Vrindavan and asking, give some and put up atta. So, in this way, maybe few years passed and Lala Babu, he chanting holy names and absorbed with his mind. And Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. He followed all the 4 principles and every day he chanted 64 rounds. Lakshanama. 100,000 Means every day he chanted. And every day he used to go begging some alms from the house of the Brajavasis, and with that the atta or anything, he also served his Thakurji. Then after a few days, he asked his Gurudev, Gurudev, I am following all your instruction and doing bhajan sadhana in Vrindavan. This is my rest of life. But still I am not taking darshan to Lord Govinda. Why? Then Gurudev told, listen. What is your service again? Gurudev asked. I am every day used to go begging some alms, house of the Brajavasis and Vainis. That time Guru is called Sarvantarjana. He knows everything. Then Gurudev told, are you going to the every houses of the Vrindavan? And that time Lala Babu little bit Lajjat. What happened? Gurudev asked. Yes, Gurudev, I am going to all the houses, only I did not go one house. सब घर में मैं जाता हूँ, केवल एक घर में अभी तक नहीं गया. Every day I used to go begging alms in all the houses, but I did not go one house. Then Gurudev asked, why? Who is they? Who is that the person? You did not go his house? That time Lala Babu he told, in Vrindavan there is one person, his name is called Jagat Seth. Jagat Seth. I told, when Lala Babu he was in house, that time two landlords, one is called Lala Babu, another landlord Jagat Seth. So Jagat Seth, he has come from his village to Vrindavan, so I did not go his house. Why? Because he was my rival, Pratidandi. So for this regard, I did not go his house. That time they told, this is the obstacles for chanting holy names. What is that? That means still you are thinking, I am Jamindar or he is my rival. That means you have Dehatma Buddhi, bodily conception. If you have bodily conception, Krishna will not give darshan to you. When Lord will give darshan to us? When we will completely, absolutely surrender to the feet of Guru and give up our bodily conception. That's called Dhyatma. Bodily conception, this is called the root of all kinds of unwanted things, anarthas. Dhyatma থেকেই সমস্ত অনর্থের জড় বলা হয়. That means is what? Lala is thinking, still I am Jamindar. Or my rival, Jagat Seth, he is also Jamindar. So that time, one Jamindar to another rival, sometimes they are quarreling to each other, competition, and blaspheme to each other, with reason, without reason. This is the nature, competition, market. And his company is not good, his company is good, this company is there. In the same way, Lala Babu, you are thinking this way. That time Gurudev told, no. Krishna will give darshan when you will go to the house of Jagat Seth. That means you have to give up your bodily conceptions. Then next day, Lala Babu, he came in the house of Jagat Seth. Lala Babu put tilak, kanthi mala, and very nice, beautiful, shining, and tilak, and also on his bag, hanging on his shoulder. And I'm chanting Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And tears rolling down. Lala Babu, he came in the house of Jagat Seth and knocked the door. And that time Jagat Seth, that Jamindar, he was sitting and on his, what is called? Terrace. On a roof. Then he noticed, oh, this is Lala Babu. Now Lala Babu is completely pure devotee of Lord. Because he noticed tears rolling down and also how he is begging house to house. Before he was Jamindar, now he is street beggar. Then Jagat said, he came down from the house and opened the door. Then Jagat said, embraced to Lala Babu, and Lala Babu embraced to him, and both also completely absorbed in ecstatic mood. And then Krishna gave darshan to him. If you go Vrindavan, you can see how is beautiful Thakurji there, Radha Samsundar, Vigraha is there. And also this temple is called Lala Babu Temple. Actually, what is the conclusion, purport about this Katha? The teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Tinadapi sunichena taroriva savishnuna amanina manavena kirtaniya sadahari. This is the teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How will you chant holy names? Always very humble, more than the blade of grass. And always you will be tolerant as like a tree. And you will never hankering for your name, fame, reputation, and always give respect to others. Then one day Krishna Nam will manifest. Krishna Nam means your pure holy names, Suddha Hari Nam, pure holy names automatically dance in the tip of your tongue. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Our Bhaktivinoda Thakur has explained, Jihar Agrati Chali. And now you are chanting holy names. But that time, automatically holy names will dance on the top of it, the tip of your tongue. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So actually this is the process of chanting holy names and how we will completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of Guru and free, and we will free from all kinds of Dehat Abhiman. Dehat Abhiman is bodily conception. And because Dehat Abhiman, this is called the root of all kinds of anarthas. What is that Dehat Abhiman? Body conception. First, I am owner. And I am Indian or what is called American, British, Dehat. What do you think? What do you think? Naham Vipro, Nacha Narapati, Navaisana Sudran Gristhavarni Jatirva, Ketu Pradunjalam Paramananda Purnam Tabdi, Gopi Bhurtur, Padakamalur, Dasa no Dasa. I am not a Brahmana. Naham Vipro. Nacha Narapati, even I am not king. Even I am not Kshatriya Sudra, Vaishya. Even I am not Sannyasi, Brahmachari, Banprasthi Grihastha. Who am I? I am the servant of Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. What is called Gopi Bhurtur, Padakamalur Dasandas. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama बता दे दें हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम How long will take time go?
Another 20 minutes.
Another 20-30 minutes.
30.
और माता जी सब ठीक है?
Ah.
भजन साधन ठीक चल रहे कि नहीं? हाँ? सुनाई नहीं दे रहे।
वो देख सकते हैं ना, दर्शन हो गया, गुरुदेव का दर्शन हो
वही
गया।
की बात नहीं है।
Stop hearing it, or hearing
एक व्यक्ति था जिसको आंख में दिखाई नहीं पड़ता था, जिसके कान में सुनाई नहीं पड़ता था, हाथ और पैर दोनों कांपता था, चल नहीं पाता। क्या बोले? तो वो व्यक्ति जहाँ जहाँ पर कथा होती है ना वहीं पर जाते थे। हैं? वो कथा में जाकर के बैठ जाते थे केवल। तो एक व्यक्ति उनके पूछा, भाई तुम्हें तो कान में सुनाई नहीं पड़ता है, आंख में तो दिखाई नहीं पड़ता है, हाथ पैर चलता ही नहीं है, कांपते है ना, तो कथा में क्यों जाते, तुम्हें फायदा क्या है? गजब की बात है। उन्होंने कहा बात तो सत्य है, मैं तो आंख में देख नहीं पाता, किंतु तुम आंख मुझे तो दिखेंगे ना। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जय श्री राधे। बोले संत महात्मा साधु संग, बोले संत महात्मा अक्षुणतांग फलमिदम न परम विदाम। What is the result, fruits of our eyes? To take darshan, sadhu, guru and vigraha. Akshunatang phalamidam naparam vidam. तो आंखों की फल क्या है? भगवान और भक्त की दर्शन, ये तो आंखों की बात है। What is the
aim and object of the eyes? The purpose of the eyes.
What is the purpose of the eyes? Take darshan, Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavad Vigraha. बोलो नाम
नाम की जय।
अच्छा सबके प्रसाद दे दें, चलिए
श्री भक्तिवेदांत महाराज की
जय।
श्री गुरुदेव की
जय।
जय। Just like this.
Otherwise, this program in the evening at the city centre. In city.
इधर क्या है? 8 बजे से 10 बजे ना? 6:30
साढ़े 10 बजे।